So ma'am, we have also come up with an hardware project for this topic, and this is the setup of our project. And as you can see ma'am, we have used an Arduino UNO board to which we have connected a 4-channel relay module. Here we have used 4-channel particularly because we have connected 4 appliances to it. So the number of channel depends on the number of appliances we are connecting it to. And then we have, the main thing is that we have used HC05 Bluetooth module that acts as an interface between the Android app that we have created with the circuit. And now I have connected the receiver and transmitter pin of a Bluetooth module to the second and third pin of the Arduino board, and I have connected the 4-channel relay to 4, 5 and 6 and 7th pin of the Arduino board. Ma'am, we have given the connections below and everything is insulated. Now I'll show you the demonstration of it ma'am. Along the circuit. Ma'am, here we have connected 5 volt 2 ampere power adapter, and that would act as a power supply for the circuit, and this is an external power supply that is being given for the appliances. So I've on the power adapter and the power supply to the circuit. As you can see, the light have come. Now I'll show you. This is the app that we have created for that. Initially we had a software app, then later we have developed further for according to the hardware requirements. Now I'll connect it to my Bluetooth module. So I have got the MAC address of my Bluetooth module. So if I select, it will get connected. So ma'am, as you can see, my Bluetooth module is being connected to my Android app. So according to that, I can perform the task. Now according to that, I'll be giving my commands. So here I have given both voice controlled as well as manual operations. So first I'll show you the manual operations accordingly. First, initially I'll give power on. So when I click on power on, you can see the off has been changed to on. So accordingly it will work for everything. So initially when I give power on, you can see the power supply is being given to my appliances. So according to what appliance I wanted to switch on and off, we can do that. So now I'll do everything. So when I give light on, as you can see here, off is changed to on, and this relay is being activated. So the light is glowing for the first relay, so that is for the power light bulb. So it is on here, so you can see the light is glowing. So the same way I'll do for the other appliances as well. So when I give lamp on, again this off is changed to on, and you can see the second relay is being activated and my lamp is glowing. Similarly for socket. So when I give socket on, again the third relay is activated and you can see the socket is on since the indicator is glowing. Then is the fan. So again the fan is running and you can see the off is changed to on, and again all the relays are closed now and the circuit is working. So I have added another feature for this, that is power off. So when I give power off, all the appliances can off at a time. So you can see. So when I give power off, all the appliances gets off at a time, and the similar way I can power on everything at a time. So when I give power on, again all the appliances are working. Or if you wanted to off a particular appliance, we can use the same manual thing. So when I wanted to off the light bulb, so if I give off, so only the light is getting switched off. So similarly I can do for all the appliances as well. So ma'am, I'll be telling you the second feature of our app, that is the voice controlled home automation. So here I'll be giving my input voice signal, so that will be recognized by microphone, and it is being converted into text format, and that text will be correlated with the already existing command that is being placed in the code. So once it is being matched, then the appliances will switch on and off accordingly. Now we'll see one by one. Power on. So when I say power on, you can see here the off is being changed into on without any manual interventions. So now I'll give commands accordingly for every appliance. Light on. Lamp on. Socket on. Fan on. So ma'am, as you can see, when I give a command for each and every appliances, it is been working. Accordingly the relay is also getting activated. Now I'll give the other commands as well. Power off. So this is an overall command to off all the appliances at a time. Power on. So ma'am, as you can see, when I give the command, again all the appliances are on. So the complete novelty of this project is it will be very beneficial for the elderly and the disabled persons. So where they can operate the appliances without anyone's help. So that would be very beneficial for them. And also we can add any number of appliances that we wanted with by increasing the relay module. And we can also add some other features of IoT like automatic door unlocking system. And then we can also add the security thing. And whatever we want, we can everything can be included for in this project. And apart from that, we can also use different type of Bluetooth modules, and also we can use Wi-Fi modem and GSM modem. So that is how we can proceed further with ma'am. Thank you.